Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the finals in 100 meters, elementary girls. Athlete number 959, Arellano Trixiaan, Region 6. Athlete number 880, Candelaria Kersey, Region 4A. Athlete number 1074, Clavite Princess Jade, Region 10. Athlete number 1025, Commendador Princess Nicole, Region 8. Athlete number 924, Abia Joanna Shane, Region 5. Athlete number 1152, Gemparo Claire Arian, Region 13. Athlete number 745, Singapore, Ashley Nicole, Negros Island Region. And athlete number 805, Marza Jewel Grace, Region 1. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the finalists in 100 meters, elementary girls, athletes, good luck. And gentlemen, presenting the finalists in 100 meters, elementary girls, lane 5, athlete number 1088, Lumantas Johnny, Region 10, lane 3, athlete number 982, Tinoyo, Martenia Andre, Region 6, lane 4, athlete number 899, Manioka, France Gabriel, Region 4A. Lane 6, athlete number 896, Guzman Lucky Prince, Region 4A. Lane 7, athlete number 1168, Tagayao, Mac Andre, Region 13. Lane 2, athlete number 949, Lacoin, Mark Gabriel, Region 5. Lane 1, athlete number 1142, Santero Steve, Region 12. And in lane 8, athlete number 833, Tapanay, Charles Melvin. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the finalists in 100 meters, elementary boys, athletes, good luck. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the finalists in 100 meters, secondary girls, lane 6, athlete number 597, Rosario Francine Jopi, National Capital Region. Lane 4, athlete number 594, Libranda Maria Linet, National Capital Region. Lane 5, athlete number 254, Villa Gracia Angel, Region 6, Western Visayas. Lane 3, athlete number 396, Tagalog, Dale Jane, Region 10, Northern Mindanao. Lane 7, athlete athlete number 53, Guillermo Belgian, Region 2, Cagayan Valley. Lane 2, athlete number 635, Taktak Shan Yuxin, Negros, Island Region. Lane 8, athlete number 516, Sawan Aliyane, Region 13, Caraca. And in lane 1, athlete number 90, Takani, Ayla Nicole, Region 3, Central Luzon. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the finalists in 100 meters, secondary girls, athletes, good luck. In 100 meters, secondary boys. In lane 3, athlete number 189, Marcos Mark Eddy, Region 4B, Mimaropa. In lane 6, athlete number 659, Solomon Rance James, Negros, Island Region. In lane 4, athlete number 148, Abeto Jack Clinton Mitchell, Region 4A, Calabarzon. In lane 5, athlete number 655, Pahilagaw, Aaron John, Negros, Island Region. In lane 2, athlete number 408, Lagunay, Vince Lawrence, Region 10, Northern Mindanao. Lane 7, athlete number 268, Laborto, Gabriel, Region 6, Western Visayas. In lane 8, athlete number 223, Chavalia, Sabdiel, Region 5, Bicol. And in lane 1, athlete number 502, Salazar, Al Jasper, Region 12, Shock Sergeant. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the finalists in 100 meters, secondary boys, athletes, good luck.
Go!